Hi, my name is Carol Doe Porter. I'm a registered nurse, and most importantly, I'm a medical missionary evangelist. I've just completed Sebastian's restoration therapy course. Oh my goodness, it was incredible. Ellen White tells us that medical missionary work is the only work that we're going to be able to do in the last days. And I thought about that a lot. But what I saw in Sebastian's course was different than anything I have ever heard anyone talk about who was a medical missionary. He taught us how to eliminate and alleviate pain instantly from joint discomfort, whether it was the hip, whether it was the leg, whether it was the shoulder, whether it was the neck. But not only that, he brought people's blood pressure down in a matter of minutes, a few minutes. He was able to help people with prostate problems, those that had headaches, those that had stomach discomfort, just by the way he touched them. Eye problems, people that couldn't see very well, and the techniques that he used, and they admitted, I can see better, I can see clearer. It's not so blurry anymore. So I encourage each and every one of you that if you hear that Sebastian's going to be in your community, I encourage you to take his course. Unlike anything you have ever seen in your life.